Hello dear educators, welcome to our last class on our educators training forum. Yes, lastly we're going to be looking at how to use WhatsApp for remote learning. Yes, WhatsApp is known by everyone, even the children, they know WhatsApp. So yes, you can use WhatsApp to teach online. Especially, I usually use WhatsApp to teach online to those students that their parents are not even cut out for learning management systems at all, like your Google Classroom, Edmodo app, and so on. So what I usually do is I create worksheets. Okay, instead of me saving the worksheet I created on Canva as a PDF document, I save it as an image. I either use JPEG or PNG to save it. Okay, so when I save it on my phone or my device or my laptop, anything I'm using, I send that image to my students via WhatsApp. Most of our students have a phone, so you can send it to them directly or you send it to their parents. It depends. So when they get it, they usually edit these worksheets. Okay, they edit these worksheets using the image editor on their phones. Amazing, right? Okay, let's step into it. So I'll show you quickly. All right, so this is a worksheet I got from Canva. Okay, so this is a worksheet. So every phone has an image editor, every Android phone. Okay, even your students' tablets. Okay, they can edit images. So that's why I said you should save your worksheet as an image. So what I'll do is I'll tap on this pencil icon on my phone. So you can see this pencil icon here. I'll just tap on it. This is my image editor for my phone. Every phone has it. So I'll just swipe and tap on this pencil. Then I'll tap on this to see the thickness of my pencil. If I want to make it thick, I can do that, but I want it thin so that I can write on this worksheet. Okay, then I have the choice of picking any color I want. So I would go for I'm looking for black. I want black. Yeah, I'll go for black. So 9 times 12. Okay, before then I need to write my name. Over here I have student's name. Let's say my name is Ada. I'll just write Ada for my teacher here. Okay, so 9 times 12. 9 times 12 is 108. I'll just write it for my teacher here. 10 times 11 is 110. This is how your students will interact with their worksheets using their phones or their tablets. 4 times 13 is I think should be 52. Yes, so like that. 16 times 15 should be like 240. So this is how your students will work on their worksheets. Sometimes they write their names, fine, but you already know the student that is submitting to you, because WhatsApp, it submits according to the number stored on your phone. So even if your students don't write their name, you can still identify their worksheet, but it doesn't matter. Ensure your students write their name. That's to show that they are disciplined when it comes to their exams and all that. Okay, so when I'm done, for example, let's say I've filled all these spots, I've filled it up with the answer. What do? Your students now will tap on save. There's a save part there. They'll tap on. When they tap on it, automatically everything they've written on their image will be saved on their device, and they'll automatically send it to you via WhatsApp. It's as easy as that. And trust me, you can mark worksheets on WhatsApp. So let me save this. You see now it's saved on my phone. I'll still show you how to mark on WhatsApp. Okay, so as teachers, you should learn how to explore around teaching. A lot of social media apps, you can use it to teach. There's nothing that can limit a teacher if you're keen on letting your students get the best knowledge as possible. So let's swipe to the next. Okay, so this is another worksheet I created with Canva. You can see with Canva you can do lots of amazing things. This one was an already made template. I edited it and this is what I have. So I'm going to send this to everyone and you're going to help me find the word. So let's look at the instruction. It says look for the words listed below. So this is an educator's word search. So over here are the words we need to search for. So I'll quickly tap on my pencil editor on my device. Okay, and I'll pick this orange color because I want it. So let's look. Okay, I see educator. I'll just do that. I see exam, strike it out. I see teach, strike it out, like that. What else? Okay, virtual, like that. Then of course I can write my name again. My name is Ada. Okay, so when I'm done, I will save, and it saves. You can see it has saved. So I'll send it to my teacher on WhatsApp. So let's send it to our teacher on WhatsApp, and then I'll act as the teacher now, marking the worksheet. Okay, so this is our WhatsApp platform. So the student has sent his or her worksheet to me. So this is how I'll receive it. So as the teacher, I'll tap and download it. You can see the way the student did it. It's how I'm seeing it. I'll tap on this one again to download. So for me to mark, what am I going to do? I'll tap on the image. You can see. Okay. Then I'll tap on this 3 dotted icon over here. When I tap on it, I'll tap on share. Okay, this is how to mark using WhatsApp. So take notes of the steps. So when I tap on share, I'll be asked of the contact I want to share it with. I'll tap on WhatsApp. I'll tap on VSA. So this is it. So if I want to mark now, I've already, let's say VSA is the parent, okay, that I'm marking and sending to all my students. So I'll now tap on this pencil icon over here. When I tap on it, if I tap on it, I can pick any color I want. I can pick red, pink, but obviously I like using red pen to mark. So I'll just come here and mark virtual, correct, educators, correct, teach, correct, exam, correct. Then I can now underline other parts the student didn't attempt. For example, the student didn't find school, the student didn't find content, student didn't find lesson. So I can just count how many I marked. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 4. So I can score this student 4/10. Do you see that? Then I can come over to this add caption here and say, give my students an instruction. I can say, next time, try to attempt all questions. So it's as easy as that, and I tap on send. So it's going to send it back to the student, and the student will receive it like this. Very, very simple. So this is how to use WhatsApp for remote learning. Of course, you can have a video call with your students to educate them more on something. So if you have questions, ask me. All right, thanks and bye.